Hey guys, you're watching carbuy.com.sg and we're looking at the new Golf 1.4 Highline, which has just been released in Singapore earlier this year. Of course, the Golf has had a facelift. This is the Mark 7 Golf. It was facelifted with the 1.0 model coming out early this year, and now the 1.4 is here. This is the Highline model, which replaces the old 1.4 EQP model. So last time there was a 1.4, now there's 1.4 EQP, which is basically low and high. So this is the new model. This is the Highline, and under this there's a Comfort Line model as well. So this being the Highline model, it gets all the good stuff. So on the front of the car, there are new LED headlights with a nice little hexagon pattern. Not sure if you can see that. We also see that on the Golf GTI and the Golf R. And also you notice that there are new chrome strips around the on the two sides, up and down. Those chrome strips are new. There are larger wheels as well. These are, I think, 17-inch wheels. No, they're actually 18-inch wheels. They're pretty big. So this car also has sport suspension, so bigger wheels and sportier suspension. So they're kind of like a tiny step towards the sportiness of a GTI. But of course, the engine is still there, 122 horsepower, 1.4 turbocharged unit from before. Now let's take a look on the inside, where there are quite a few interesting updates. So here we have the active info display, and that's the one we first saw on the Passat. All the details and information you can customize as well. So let's look at consumption and range. You can see classic layout, which emulates analog instruments. And also new for this car is safety system, and one we always find very useful. It's a blind spot monitor. So blind spot monitor, very useful for people creeping around in your blind spots. And another upgrade is the infotainment system, and there's the Discover Pro system, which is also on the GTI and the Golf R, and also on the upper spec Volkswagens like the Passat and the Arteon. So we have our customizable screen. So let's say I want to change this to something else. I want navigation, telephone, traffic, whatever. So quite cool. And also for this particular unit, you have the App Connect. So if you have an iPhone, you can mirror everything on your screen here without having to diddle with it while you are driving. So that pretty much sums up the changes to the Golf Highline, and that's the upper spec Golf. It's retailing at about less than 130 grand, which compared to the 1.4 EQP is not that far off, but you get a lot more stuff. So if you want to read the review, we have it on carbuy.com.sg. Go check it out.